Hey boys and girls, it is John, and I just wanted to touch base here. I just started trading this week. This is the One Click Pro Trader. I'm in a buy right now in UJ. Came in this morning. The buy came in on this candle here, I believe. Sorry, this thing keeps moving. Hold on a second. Sorry, I don't know how to do this. No, we don't want to do that. Let's just move it. So the buy came in on this candle here. You can get it on the initial buy, usually at the top of the candle, but I like to wait for the pullbacks. What I like to see is the trend is going the same direction, so it was a buy trend. Fair value gap right here between these two red candles, nice size one. So I got in on the pullback. I was waiting for it to pull back into the gap after it broke structure to the upside here. So we had a BOS, that's what I look for. I look for trend, I look for a break of structure, and I try and get in on the pullback. If the candle's not too big, I might take an initial trade, but I got in on the pullback on this one. Anyway, as you can see right now, I'm up. It's a 1 to 7 risk to reward right now. I'm up 3.6% on this account. This is a glow node funded challenge, phase 1, 25K. I had a couple of crappy trades. This morning, I got home from work this morning after working 12 hours, and like a dope, I jumped into the first trade I saw without looking at the news, and I got stopped out. I took one yesterday also. I got stopped out as well. So you can see I lost 3 trades so far, but this one's a winner so far anyway. I got my stop loss up here under this swing point in case I get stopped out, and I'm trying to make it up to here if I can. If I can get up to there, I'll be just sitting at around 26K. So I'll be like halfway through the funded challenge. As you can see, there's a little bit of a resistance line here. It actually tapped it. Now it's moved back down, but now it's going back up again a little bit. So if it gets back up to this resistance line, I might just close the trade for, and take my 4% or whatever it's going to be for the day. Yeah, so this is it. I want to keep everybody abreast of what's going on with this thing. Not all the trades are going to be great and winners. We're going to have losers as well. But if your risk to reward is right, 1 to 8 is a great risk to reward. I probably should just close it now, but I'm trying to get up to 26K, but I don't want to be greedy. So I might end up just closing this thing real soon. But anyway, that's how it's going. This is only the first couple days in this thing, I took another trade Friday I have a $10,000 account. I took a trade Friday and then I took one Monday yesterday. I made 3% on the Friday trade and I only made 1% on yesterday's trade, but I was down 3.6%. So now I'm back in the positive again, only a small amount, maybe like $30 or something like that on that one. I didn't take that trade for this because I'm using the funded trader standard challenge and you can't use EAs in it or trade copies or anything. It sucks. I didn't know that before I bought it, but they had them on sale for half price. It was only $60 for a 10K challenge, so I just grabbed one. But not happy that I did because I got to put all the trades in manually and figure out. I can go off of this one. I can figure out my lot size just by doing some simple math. Like this is almost a 5 lot for a 25K, so it would have been like a 2 lot for the 10K, and I could have got in on that too. But I didn't. I'm just, sometimes I get home from work and I'm just tired and I'm not really thinking too clearly. But anyway, I'm happy with this trade. So we'll keep you abreast, keep you going. If you want more information or you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment for me and I'll get back to you. Thanks.